ever feel like cooking is the fun part, but prep is what drains the soul? Well, I found 3 tools that fix that. Instantly. And yeah, they're all from Fullstar, but the last one literally had me chopping onions with a grin. Let's start with this little twist of genius, the Fullstar Chicken Shredder tool. No forks, no claws, no mess. Just drop in your cooked chicken, twist the lid, and boom, pulled chicken in seconds. It works on pork, beef, even jackfruit. It's BPA-free, top-rack dishwasher safe, and honestly looks like a weird Tupperware until you see it in action. I used to spend 10 minutes with 2 forks and sore wrists. Now, less than 30 seconds. Okay, next up. This one's dangerous in the best way. The Fullstar Mandolin Slicer plus Spiralizer Combo. Cucumbers, carrots, zucchini, onions. You name it. This thing slices like a samurai. Straight cuts, julienne, and my favorite, spiralizing. It has a built-in blade dial, a safety glove, and even a catch tray to collect everything neatly. You feel like a chef, but faster, and it's compact. I can slide it into a drawer and still have space for spoons, but none of those compare to what's next. Because when I pulled out this last one, my kitchen prep game hit God mode. The Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper. It dices, chops, spirals, and slices, all in one snap. Just press down on the lid and pop. Perfect uniform pieces every single time. I chopped onions without crying, tomatoes without mush. Even bell peppers got wrecked in seconds. And it comes with blade swaps, a container base, even a brush to clean the grid. It's like therapy for anyone who hates prep but loves precision. Honestly, I thought I'd use it once and forget it. But now I reach for it daily. So yeah, these 3 tools didn't just save time. They made me want to cook more. Which one do you need most? The shredder for protein prep? The mandolin for that chef-level finesse? Or the 4-in-1 chopper that handles literally everything? Let me know in the comments. The links are in the description. Like, subscribe. And if you're not chopping like this by next week, you're missing out.